Let's move on now to our top review. This is the Vivo V20 Pro. Now, let me just set this story a little. First and foremost, Vivo very well known for the fact that they do extremely good looking phones. This is great. Number two, they do very slim phones. This is the slimmest 5G phone you can actually get. And in the Vivo V series, the biggest deal is always going to be camera, video, photography, lenses, and in every which way that also comes out very, very well. Great camera and optics in the front and the back. Front, two cameras, two lenses out there. Plus, of course, it's got that incredible and very, very nice auto eye focus feature too.
If you ever felt like you weren't getting the best selfies or your phone's camera was not performing to its peak, Vivo has got the answer for you. The newly launched V20 Pro is a photographer's delight, but other than the camera, has the phone got enough wow factor, especially for a very competitive price of Rs 29,990? Let's find out. The V20 Pro takes another stride ahead of the regular V20's excellent cameras. Visually, the V20 Pro has a similar camera array. The 64 main camera on the rear clicks some stunning images in daylight, and the dedicated night mode means that low light shots have a lot of detail and exposure in them. There is an 8 megapixel secondary lens that can click ultra wide shots and a 2 megapixel sensor that shoots super macro shots. Over on the front is a 44 megapixel dual camera that has the eye autofocus technology that Vivo has highlighted in the V20. The sensor manages to capture enough detail and the selfies look great. The eye autofocus tech is fast and works brilliantly. The screen on the front is a very good looking 6.44-inch AMOLED display. At just 7.39 mm thick, the phone feels amazing to hold in the hand, and it's lightweight too. Despite such a sleek body, Vivo has put in a respectable 4000 mAh battery in the V20 Pro. While that doesn't scream flagship grade stuff, it does come with a 33-watt fast charger in the box that can top up the phone quickly. The fast charging can come in handy as the V20 Pro can also be a gaming phone. It has a dedicated Ultra Game mode which optimizes the settings for enhancing performance while playing games. All this is powered by the Snapdragon 765G chipset, which is a 5G enabled chip, and the 8GB RAM inside the Vivo V20 Pro. The phone runs smoothly and holds its ground with heavy usage throughout the day. There is an in-display fingerprint sensor that is fast and reliable. However, one thing we surely missed was the earphone jack on the V20 Pro. On the software side, the phone runs on Android 10 out of the box with Vivo's FunTouch OS 11 skin. This is a largely clean skin with no ads and an overall smooth experience. There is 128GB of onboard storage with no option to expand that. The verdict is, the V20 Pro can go toe-to-toe with flagships that cost twice as much. For the price of Rs 29,990, it is a great buy for anyone looking to upgrade to the 5G ecosystem and get a great user experience.